Train Talk with Edward, Douglas, and Toby! Hello everyone, I'm Edward the Blue Engine, and I'm really old. So I'd also like to welcome you to my very best, well, not really best, but also a friend of mine named Toby!
Well, thank you there, Edward. People always call me
Toby!
and I too am really old. You can probably tell by my old hillbilly voice and my old scratchy voice. Well, I said voice twice in there, don't you think?
I don't think. I already know, you silly. And I'm Douglas! And Scottish! Yeah!
Hey, Douglas, didn't you used to have a twin brother? Donald or something?
Never talk about me wee brother! Never!